Hello. Well, in this video, we're going to practice the future total cost. So let's go. Well, we are in the bestmba.org platform, and the question is the following. Columbia Hospital for Women is planning to expand its labor and delivery room facilities. Although variable costs per patient will remain unchanged, fixed costs will increase by 20%. Last year's costs are below. Variable costs, $50 per patient. Fixed costs, $20,000 per month. Calculate the future total cost assuming 100 patients are expected each month. And the options are option A, $25,000. Option B, $29,000. Option C, $20,500. And option D, $20,000. So now post this video, write in the comments which one do you think is the right answer. Click like to this video and then click play again, and we will see the right one. Okay, I hope you have already choose your right answer, right? And now we're going to use a calculator in order to see which one is the right one. Okay. Here it is, the calculator. Okay, here it is. So let's see. We're going first of all to calculate the variable costs. Okay, the total variable costs. It's clear if we have $50 per patient and we have 100 patients, the total variable costs is $5,000, right? And they say that the variable cost will remain unchanged, right? So now let's go to the fixed costs. Okay, fixed costs were $20,000 last year, and they are going to increase by 20%. So we are going to say we multiply this per 1.20, and this is the total fixed cost, $24,000. If we add to this the variable cost, which were $5,000, the right answer is this one, which is B, right? So let's go to B and let's check. Okay, let's see. It's making its calculations, and yeah, it seems that we choose the right one. Okay, the right one is this, $29,000, and well, I hope that you also choose this one, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.